Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix activation error on FaceTime on iPhone. If you're using FaceTime on your iPhone and you're having any activation error, so let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing, you have to open your settings and go for apps, and here you have to go for apps, and then you just have to go for FaceTime here. And once you get the FaceTime, you just have to enable the FaceTime toggle. And once you have enabled, it will almost fix your issue. You just have to wait for it until it loads your send and receive or something like that. Here you have to sign in with your phone number or your Gmail or your Apple ID, and once you have done, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this step doesn't work for you, you have to check your internet connection, that you're connected to a strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular, and you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make quick refresh into your network settings. Then go for settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected, and you have to try to change your set your date and time. So go for date and time, and you have to make sure that your setup automatically has been enabled, and you have selected the correct time zone including your location. And then you have to also make sure that you have selected the region in which you're living, and then you just have to go back and it will almost fix your issue. Or if this all message doesn't work for you, you have to go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and you'll get a confirmation pop-up message to reset all of your network settings. It will reset all the network settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this step, and after that your issue will be fixed and you will be able to use your FaceTime on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.